Hello and welcome to the Automation Specialist Level 2 course. My name is Jordan Grantham and I'm the head of the Tricentis Academy here in Vienna. Today we'll continue our journey through the automation of test cases using Tricentis Tosca. After completing Automation Specialist Level 1, we are now looking at how we can become more efficient in creating and maintaining our test cases. So far, we've concentrated our efforts in creating one test case at a time. However, testing an SUT thoroughly requires the creation of many test cases. At the same time and resources are usually limited. Therefore, it's vital to find out which part of the SUT to test first, and also which parts require the most focus and effort. To solve this, we could theoretically copy and paste one test case and modify each and every one of them. However, this process is time-consuming. Why is this? Every time any shared element changes, there will be a need for manual updates. Normally, we can take account of this with a library and reusable test step blocks. But what if this change happens in an area with a verification, or a value that changes depending on the focus of the test case? This is made even worse when it comes to bigger and more complex tests. All these problems can be addressed with appropriate test case design paired with risk-based testing. To increase test coverage, we need a number of similar yet slightly different test cases. These test cases will test the same feature, but in slightly different ways. In this course, we will focus on creating these multiple test cases at the same time, all paired with Tosca's trademark ease of use and maintainability. The focus of our training will be on centralizing our test data and test cases. This will be done by introducing test sheets and templates. These elements are not only invaluable tools in the creation of effective test cases, but also benefit the maintenance process greatly. Effectively, by centralizing our resources, we will have only one place where we can apply changes and update data, not hundreds. Therefore, we can make the change in one place, and it is fed to hundreds of test cases. This more flexible, maintainable, and agile structure is a perfectly fitting piece of our DevOps cycle. It increases adaptability and shortens the overall duration of the testing part. It grants a smooth transition between development and testing phases, cutting long and costly maintenance times at each iteration. In this course, we will also introduce the concept of API testing. We will focus mostly on how to automate and maintain API tests. After completing Automation Specialist Level 2, you will not only have gained a deep and effective knowledge of Tosca's test automation techniques, you will also gain the skills needed to dive deeper into more complex testing territories. One possible path to extend your Tosca knowledge is to choose the Test Design Specialist Level 1 course. Alternatively, specialist courses also follow Automation Specialist Level 2, like the Automation Specialist for API course, which looks deeper into the API testing capabilities of Tosca. Finally, enjoy the course. If you want to access and expand on your Tricentis Tosca skills and testing knowledge, remember to register for our MOOCs, follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for useful additional videos.